I just built this entire portfolio website in under 3 minutes without writing a single line of code. Same with this e-commerce site. All I did was add one simple prompt and the website was ready to go. You can even edit every section individually. The best part, it's completely free. Let me show you exactly how you can create your own website and which AI tool I used to make it happen. To get started, head over to a site called b12.io. You'll find the link in the description below. Once you're on the site, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe your business. Below the prompt box, you'll find some predefined templates. For example, there are templates for consulting firms and software agencies. Scroll down further, and you'll see a gallery of pre-built sites for inspiration. You have two options here. You can preview any site in full, and if you like what you see, you can click Remix to edit the exact prompt and make the changes you need for your own site. Or you can create one from scratch using your own custom prompt. To create a website from your own prompt, simply type your requirements into the prompt box. For example, let's say we want a portfolio website. We'll ask for a project gallery with case studies, an image or video showcase, a skills section, client testimonials, an about page, and a contact form. Now, let's click the Generate button and see how fast it builds our site. Once you hit Generate, it takes just 10 to 20 seconds, and your site is ready. It created all the pages we asked for: the home page, about section, services, projects, testimonials, and a dedicated contact page. The best part, it's even fully responsive for mobile devices. It looks perfect right out of the box. B12 also allows you to edit and customize your site however you want. To edit the generated site, you have two options: the AI Agent Editor and the Manual Edit option. With the Manual Edit option, you can make changes to every section of the site, every page, and all the text, including headings and descriptions. For example, you can click on the homepage text, change it, and it updates live. You can also edit buttons, regenerate the entire homepage with AI, and upload any kind of image from your computer. You can even add animations and switch themes, like changing from light mode to dark mode on any page. Every section and page is fully editable. I encourage you to try it yourself and explore all the functions B12 has to offer. The second option is the AI Agent Editor, which allows you to add instructions, and it processes them in seconds. For example, you can ask it to change the site's color scheme, and it updates immediately. You can tell it to add a blog post, and it automatically adds blog content related to your niche. Once you're done with your site, you can preview it to see how it looks. If you're happy with it, you can publish it for free. The free version includes a B12 domain. You can also add your own custom domain by upgrading your subscription, which costs just $1 per month for the first 3 months. You'll find the link in the description. That's all for this video. I hope this helps you publish your first website quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.